US Foundry and Manufacturing has been a leader in the utility castings industry since 1916 and serves a nationwide community of customers, from engineers to government agencies. With such high demand, maintaining top system performance is crucial. In 2013, US Foundry discovered an increased level of abrasive waste in their media blast system. So they sought out the expertise of the Wheelabrator Plus team and Joe Craig. By the end of 2013, Wheelabrator Plus helped US Foundry increase throughput capacity and lowered annual cost by $64,000. Here's how they did it. The Wheelabrator Process Control Program addresses 5 areas of concern. Blast pattern effectiveness. The blast pattern targeting relative to the total work envelope. The wheel lamp efficiency, relative to throughput capacity and quality of cleaning. Operating mix efficiency, to maximize kinetic cleaning energy. Tracking abrasive consumption versus abrasive waste, to identify areas for cost savings. Analyzing operational costs, to justify the need for change and to improve the process. Quite simply, the value of this process controls program is the benefit minus the cost of change.
We had a number of ways to attack this problem. We could change the way we send our parts through the blast and how we hang them on the hooks, or we could attack the height of where the blast pattern starts and where it ends, and identify the shot mix. How much of an effect does that shot mix have on the envelope?
So the initial visit, we kind of focused on the amp efficiency of the blast machine. I really didn't have a great handle on the abrasive consumption, as they were currently using S460 at that point in time. In reviewing the amp efficiency, they were at 65% efficient. And part of the problem of that was the separator adjustments were such that it was shoving a lot of good abrasive out the end.
During the initial visit and phase 1 of this process, Wheelabrator made the recommendation to switch abrasive media from S460 to S390 based on mathematical models and experience to improve coverage and kinetic cleaning energy, resulting in less abrasive consumption and better cleaning performance.
When I saw Joe at the Cast Expo, I knew that we were having a consumption problem. We were buying more than we should have. When I approached him, he knew right off the bat that our natural consumption of our blast machine was 64 pounds per blast hour. That, compared to what we were buying, was a big discrepancy. It told us that we're spending money on more shot than we needed to.
The next step was to quantify all points of waste and the rate of abrasive waste versus natural abrasive consumption, and what it was costing US Foundry on an annual basis.
So we had to quantify exactly what is the rate of waste and how much it was costing them on an annual basis in terms of their total purchase dollars of abrasive. So walking through that step by step, we had brooms, we had electromagnets, we had big tote boxes and bins to put up underneath the dust collector rotary valve, and collecting it from the sand pump and doing time studies. The only way to ever get a handle on your operational costs is to do a time study.
Joe came in, and with the tools that he's got and using the math of the wheel amps, showed us that by doing this, you can improve your wheel efficiency, which is going to improve how you blast the part. Along with that is looking detailed at the blast machine at this needs to be fixed, that needs to be replaced. Yes, you're losing shot. You can spend 14 grand on this part, save 50 this year, you're going to save 64 the next year.
So at that point in time, US Foundry ultimately had a choice. How do we fix this problem? A $14,000 part or $65,000 worth of waste on an annualized basis. And fortunately, they chose to move forward, to work with it and buy the part.
That's one thing that Wheelabrator does, is they don't just try to push something on you as far as this is our new technology, we think you should have it. They're more concerned with how can we make your operation better, whether you buy from us or not.
In US Foundry's case, yeah, I would have loved to have sold 4 blast wheels, but the truth of the matter is they had this problem and they needed to focus on this problem first before anything else. And who knows, if you fix what they got, maybe they don't even need the equipment upgrade. If you help a customer through a process like this, the chances of retaining that customer over the long haul are dramatically increased. I know that over the long haul, we're helping people improve their process.
Wheelabrator's understanding of media blast systems and their ability to quantify system analysis equipped US Foundry with the information needed to form and implement corrective strategies, resulting in increased throughput capacity and a cost savings of $64,000 annually. Just another way how Wheelabrator is helping to shape the industry of the future.